I'm Riley, and for my juniors project for the semester, I wanted to talk about popcorn, because popcorn is our favorite snack, right, Dill?
Yes.
Okay. So I kind of researched popcorn and asked why popcorn pops, and I found out that it has to do with the percentage of the water content inside the kernel. And the popcorn kernels, it's not just like a corn kernel that you would just eat like from your garden, because it's got a really special shell. It's hard and undamaged and water impermeable. And popcorn kernels also have a really starchy center, so that when it gets heated up it pops between the temperatures of 350 and 450 degrees. So once I learned about that, I wanted to know what elements make popcorn pop or not pop better than others. So that's what my experiment's about, and that's what I'm going to be showing you now. Okay, so what I did is I put 100 popcorn kernels in 4 different baggies, and this is the 4th one. And so with these 100 kernels, I'm going to be soaking these overnight. With these 100 kernels, I'm going to be placing them in our freezer. And these 100 kernels, I'm just going to keep them at room temperature, so just normal, like any popcorn kernels would be before you prepare them. And then tomorrow when I do my experiment, I'll be heating these up in the oven at like 200 degrees, so like a lower temperature, before I pop them. So what I'll be doing is just having all these different elements in my popcorn kernels, and then I'm going to be heating them and seeing which batch of popcorn kernels popped the best, and see if it has any correlation with the kind of elements that were used before they were popped. Okay, so it's morning time, and all these kernels have had time to do their thing overnight, so it's time to start popping. So as you can see, I have a pan heating up with about 3 teaspoons of oil at medium-high heat. So once this gets hot enough, I'm going to start with just our normal kernels that just stayed at room temperature. What a transformation! All those little popcorn kernels turned into popcorn that I want to eat. So now let's see how many kernels didn't pop. 1. Is that it? 1.5. Yeah. Right?
I'd say so.
Okay. So, with the normal room temperature popcorn, 98 kernels out of 100 popped. So let's stop the
98% kill ratio.
I'm gonna strain my popcorn that was in water overnight and get ready to start popping. Okay, here we go. I'm kind of scared to put the water on the hot pan.
It's on fire! Holy cow!
That was terrifying.
Tame the
I don't
beast.
recommend doing that again. I don't know how long to give this.
Until then,
Sounds like a war.
seriously though, those are popping very aggressively. Holy.
I'm scared. Can you actually do this?
Yes.
Okay, so we separated these out, and looks like we have 85% pop, because 15 kernels did not pop. But if you ask me, I would not eat this. I don't know about you, Dill, but
Yeah, it looks horrible. I'm definitely not gonna eat that.
So, note to self, don't soak your popcorn kernels in water before you make popcorn, if you're thinking about doing that. Okay, so now I'm going to take my popcorn kernels out of the freezer, and they're really nice and cold. And I don't know if this is warm enough yet, but I'll just try it. These sure are taking a while.
While she eats the popcorn, she told me to wait to eat.
One little kernel did not pop, so we have 1% more popping ratio on the Frozens. I don't know though, taste that. Tastes kind of weird. Don't burn your hand. Does that taste weird to you?
Tastes a little bit different, but need some salt and pepper, I would say. What do you think, babe?
Yeah. I mean, I didn't eat it, but it's kind of weird tasting.
Yeah.
So maybe just for taste's sake, don't freeze your popcorn. Okay, so the last one that I'm gonna do, one went loose, is I've been heating up these kernels at 200 degrees for about 20 minutes now. So we're gonna get these ones going. So I took our popcorn kernels out of our Easy Bake Oven.
It is small.
It's about that size. Let's see what this does. It's fine.
Technical difficulties.
Fine. Oh, I didn't even turn the burner on?
That's okay.
Idiot.
There, babe.
We done?
Nope.
Now are we done? Wow. Can I say wow again? I'm pretty sure we got 100% popping rate.
That's amazing.
That's amazing. Mmm, yummy. So,
I think it's pretty good.
yeah, it tastes pretty good, right? So, the conclusions of my experiment tell me that warming popcorn before you pop it in the oven for at 200 degrees calls for 100% popping rate. But if you just want to keep your kernels as is in room temperature, that's good too. You could freeze your kernels if you want. However, it kind of leaves a weird taste, but the thing that we know definitely...
Wow, it's really good.
The thing that we don't know definitely not to do is never soak your kernels overnight before you pop them.
Because they will taste like the worst thing you've ever tasted in your life. As far as popcorn goes.
So with that, happy popping.
Keep on keeping on. Popcorn. Good. My wife said to wait till the end, but she ate popcorn before. So I think that this means I can have a little bit more right now. Right, wifey?
Right? But you also ate a scone and zucchini.